Hello friends, today we are going to draw and color a pumpkin. Let's get started. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Grab your black marker and we'll start from the stalks. Now, let's gradually create the full pumpkin, complete with leaves and vines.
The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. Wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 all through the town. Horn on the bus goes beep, 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 beep. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 all through the town. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put Humpty together again. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king's horses and all the king's men.
And don't forget to give our pumpkin some personality with cute eyes and a friendly smile.
Hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck 1, the mouse ran down. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, the bird looked at the clock. The clock struck 2, away she flew. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, merrily, merrily.
Once we've got our pumpkin looking fantastic, it's time to make the outlines bold and sharp with a black marker.
A green and yellow basket. I wrote a letter to my love, and on the way I dropped it. I dropped it, and on the way I dropped it. A little boy, he picked it up and put it in his pocket.
Let's bring this pumpkin to life with a vibrant burst of colors. Orange color.
Mama's gonna buy you a mockingbird, and if that mockingbird
Bottle green color.
don't sing, Mama's gonna buy you a diamond ring.
Green color.
And if that diamond ring turns brass, Mama's gonna buy you a looking glass. And if that looking glass is broke, Mama's gonna buy you a billy. A, B, C,
Red
D,
color.
E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T,
Orange color.
W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time won't you sing with me?
Sky blue color.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z.
Purple
Now
color.
I know my ABCs. Next time won't you sing with me? The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go
Orange
round
color.
and round, all through the town. Wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish. The
Red
wipers
color.
on the bus go swish, 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 all through the town. Horn on the bus goes beep, 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 beep. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 all
Yellow color.
through the town. Humpty Dumpty king's horses and all the king's men. Couldn't put Humpty together again.
There you have it, my young artists.
Awesome!
Our adorable, colorful pumpkin is ready to bring a smile to your faces. Hello, my creative pals! Are you ready for a new artistic challenge? Well, today, we're going to unravel the colorful world of the Rubik's Cube. So, grab your pencils and markers, and let's get started. To begin, let's make a rough pencil sketch of our Rubik's Cube. Create a basic outline, drawing the cube's structure. Now, let's bring out the black marker, and with a steady hand, outline the Rubik's Cube.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
The foundation is set.
The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round.
Making the lines bold and sharp.
All through the town. The wipers of the bus go swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 all through the town. Yeah! The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 beep. Beep, 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 the horn on the bus goes beep, 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 all through the town. People on the bus go up and down, up and down, up and down. The people on the bus go up and down, all through the town. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X.
Are you ready to add the magic of colors? For the coloring part, I'll guide you through it, just telling you the color names. Here we go. Red.
H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town.
Yellow.
The bus go swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 all through the town. Yeah! The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 beep. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 all through the town. People on the bus go up and down, up and down, up and down. The people on the bus go up and down.
Orange.
all through. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my
Green.
ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R,
Blue.
S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
Red.
The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus
And
go
finally,
round and
blue
round,
again.
all through the town. The wipers of the bus go swish, 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 swish.
And there you
swish,
have
swish,
it, my
swish,
young
swish,
artists.
swish. The wipers
A stunning Rubik's Cube in all its colorful glory. I hope you had a blast creating your very own Rubik's Cube. Keep practicing and exploring the world of art, one shape at a time. See you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.